Hey guys, so today I will be sharing with you my eyebrow routine and I hope that you enjoy it and I hope that this video is helpful to you. We will be using the eyebrow kit from e.l.f. in the color medium. So first I will apply the wax on my eyebrows and then I will fill them in with the darker color of an eyeshadow. Then I took a dark brown and I applied it on my eyebrows. Then I took the spoolie and I brushed them out just to get the excess out. And you can see a big difference between the two eyes. So for a cleaner look, you can apply some concealer on the brow bone and blend it with a brush. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.